I woke up bright and early just before sunrise, which is unusual because I never wake up before sunrise. But I'm so excited because we get to go to do yoga this morning, and I have not done yoga in ages. The best part is we got a view to the ocean from our house to the yoga studio, and now we have to figure a way into our studio. We finished yoga and now we got coffee, and now we're going to do some grocery shopping at the Mercado. Oops! And then we come home and play with Kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty says hi. Oh, Kitty's gone. Kitty's always so curious about the fridge. Excuse me. Hey. No. No. Hey, that's not a chicken. It's gonna fall. Get down, Kitty. Nope, you gotta go. No. To film here, but today's waves are wild. Just filming it makes me like jittery. I just finished surfing an hour out there at Playa Carrizalillo. They were nice. The waves were smooth and slow. Perfect for beginners. This is my location for the day. I'm going to be shooting from here, and it's 8 a.m. in the morning. Getting a local's recommendation is the best. I have written a whole guide about living in Puerto Escondido as a local. I'm gonna drop the link below so you can check it out if you're keen. And now with our tummies filled, we saw this market that is operating on weekends, and we're gonna check it out. Look at our bag of groceries. All this for $3.50. Just finished working all morning, and now, thanks to the recommendation of a local friend, we are here at a very typical Mexican restaurant. You can see from the back that it's really vast, and this is my favorite drink. We decided to get this. It's one of my favorite local drinks. It's called horchata. It's made with rice, milk, sugar, almonds, and cinnamon stick. It's really sweet and milky and smooth. And then now we're going to dig into it's not a very typical Mexican meal, but we've worked hard this morning and we're going to dig in for lunch now. Come. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's time to dig in. So ugly. This tree are mine. And this tree are his. Who did it better? First time making Vietnamese spring rolls, and I have to say, I think we did pretty well. But this sweet chili sauce is really what adds flavor to it. Wow, I'm sounding like a food blogger. Collecting rocks. Day in a life in Oaxaca. He just went surfing, caught 0 waves, and now he is trying to Is he a baby? How old is he?
¿Cuánto tiene?
Un mes?
Un mes.
Un mes. Wow, baby. We got all this bread. I think there's a total of at least how many? Maybe 8 pieces of bread for a total of $1 US. We're now binging on bread locally made from a local bakery.